Precious, Precious, do not touch that, please. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, guys. This is my pal from yesterday. Precious, this is poisonous. Do not touch this, please. Please, Precious, that's not good. Precious, I don't want you to get in trouble. Precious, please, do not touch this. That's not good, guys. What I read about this plant, it's foxglove. I don't know if it's poisonous for human, but she decided to play on it. Jesus. Guys, it's a lot. Let me see. Start from here, go all the way over there. I get hydrangeas, foxgloves, and buttercup. All the way over there. A beautiful find.